unless I stuck by ya. You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a new kind of video. You will see what my 1-year-old eats. You're gonna smile. What my 1-year-old eats in a day video. And if you haven't seen that yet, I will definitely link it above for y'all so you can go check that out. Today, as you saw by the title, I'm going to be doing what I eat in a day to lose weight. So I actually love food, like love food, but I want to lose between 15 and 20 pounds. This time last year I was 20 pounds lighter, and I just have some, I know, extra weight in my stomach area after having Hunter that I want to lose, and I know I can do it. So I know counting calories and really watching what I eat and working out consistently will help. So I'm going to just show y'all what I eat in a day. This is not what I eat every single day, but this is what I eat somewhat throughout the week. And I plan to do more of these videos if you guys like these kinds of videos. And if you do, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of them. Also, subscribe and keep watching if you want to see some delicious low-calorie recipes. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so to start off my day, I love getting a large glass of ice water. I usually always add lemons to it, especially during weight loss, because I feel like it actually really does help. But this time I didn't have any lemon. I need to pick some up. But I love a glass of ice water in the morning, and I try to drink it as much as I can throughout the day. So we're going to make some breakfast. These Everything bagels, they're bagel thins. They're only 110 calories, and that is seriously, I think it's just so awesome. Low calories for a bagel. I love to make one egg an over hard egg. I'm just learning how to make those, and I think I did a pretty good job for the first time. We're gonna use this Canadian bacon. I only do 2 slices, and in 2 slices, there's in 3 slices, which is a serving size, is only 43 calories, but I only use 2, so it's less. I add some cheese. I fry up some of that Canadian bacon, and this is pretty high in protein as well, which is nice. And this is so filling. I will link where I got this recipe. I follow this girl. I totally space YouTubers, and she has really helped me think of some really good low-calorie recipe ideas. So I will link her down below. But this is only a 320 calorie breakfast, and like I said, it's very filling and very, 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 very good. Alright, so I don't have this drink every morning. This is just kind of like something that I do probably once or twice a week. And this is a cold brew coffee. So I just get a very small glass because I don't need a lot of it. And then I just pour some in, about that much. And this right here, the serving size is 6 fluid ounces, and it only equals to 10 calories, which is freaking awesome. And there's 5 servings in here, but I don't even use that much. But I'm going to go ahead and just count it as 10 calories. And then this is 30 calories per tablespoon. I don't have a tablespoon clean right now, so what I do is just put some in here, and then I mix it up. I mean, ice is just water, so it's got no calories. So this tastes a bit different because this time I did try the caramel, but I really do prefer the vanilla because this one is vanilla as well. I'm just out of this one, but I just wanted to show y'all. So I thought that I would try the caramel, but the vanilla is so much better. You helping Mommy clean the floors? Yeah. Since you like to throw all your food on the floor? Yeah. Oh. Alright, so I wanted a little snack, so I grabbed a Chobani yogurt and I added some granola. Granola is so high in calories, guys, it's nuts. But this was 236 calories. It did fill me up just a little bit with the granola. Alright, so I'm going to have some lunch. Sorry, Hunter's game is playing in his little toys playing in the back. I'm going to make some barbecued pork tostadas. So I'm going to grab 2 of these tostadas and then this Lloyd's pork seasoned shredded barbecue, which is absolutely delicious. This is such calories. For a 4th cup is only 80 calories, which is great. You can add some cheese on top. Of course, I wanted to do that in a little bit of barbecue sauce. That's just an extra step. You don't have to do that though. So I'm going to get, I'm just going to grab the 1/4 cup to make sure I even this, measure this out right. And I'm just going to get 2 scoops and then pop that in the microwave. Once that's done heating up, I'm going to put it on top of the tostada shells, add some cheese. I think I calculated that I used a cup of cheese, which I totally didn't. This is like half a cup, but I absolutely love cheese, and you just put as much as you want. You can add some barbecue sauce on top if you'd like, but it's not like an extra step that you have to do, especially if you're counting calories. But this is only 360 calories, and it is bomb. And it's very filling as well. So I gotta have some chocolate, y'all. I love these 90 calorie Fiber One bars. This is a brownie one, and they are so chocolatey and amazing.
The scrapbook club. Are you kidding?
You enjoying that popsicle I made you?
That's why once a week I host a scrapbook club to give everyone a chance to show off their scrapbook.
Poppy, we don't need you to explain what it is.
You do tend to sum things up a lot.
Alright, time for some dinner. I'm going to be making some sloppy joed bell peppers. I ground some turkey. I did a pound. And then I got some chopped cauliflower and just put that in there. Rinsed 2 bell peppers, cut them in half. And I love the yellow and orange because they're kind of sweeter. Then I went ahead and added a whole thing of tomato sauce. I added a half a can of corn and also some kidney beans. Actually, not kidney beans, pinto beans. But kidney beans would have been really good as well. I grabbed some apple cider vinegar. You're going to want to do 1.5 tablespoons of apple. And then a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then I go ahead and just mix this all up, guys. This recipe is so amazing for like homemade sloppy joes. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. I really think this would be good over rice too, even though rice is kind of high calorie, but it keeps it kind of low calorie because of the peppers. Because peppers aren't really that high in calories. That's one thing I love about adding the cauliflowers, because you don't taste it, but it adds a little bit more volume to this meal, and you kind of get some of your veggies in, you know what I mean? So I'm going to go ahead and add all of these, some salt, some onion powder, some parsley, some black pepper, and then some yellow mustard. The mustard really does the trick, and then just mix all that in. And then I'm just going to layer all of this inside the bell pepper and then put it in the oven till I feel like I need to. You can add some cheese on top of it, but I do like to add the cheese on after, as you see here. And I put a little bit of sour cream, and this meal is only 450 calories. Actually, I think that's a little higher I think it's a little bit less than 450, but Matt kind of helped me out with the calorie count, which doesn't mean that there was anything wrong with it. So I think he just did kind of higher portions, which I don't eat as much. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know down below. I would love to make more.